Good afternoon traders, welcome to 200forexpips.com. So guys, in this video I'm going to talk about the WhatsApp group that we are doing on forex trading. So we are doing this for a very long time, and let me share the WhatsApp group with you. So if you look at here, we have two groups right now. The other group I just created, but the first one is already near to fill. So that's why I have created two groups, and overall we have a lot of subscribers in the first group, so you can also join it as well. So guys, what is the main purpose of this WhatsApp group? Because you will be getting the free signals from my side, as well as you will get two more things. That will be the technical analysis, and the other thing that I will share the success stories of my subscribers who are dealing with my signals and who are creating their own signals after taking the coaching session. So guys, before I go to discuss these things in detail, so if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe the channel and press the notification button. And those subscribers who haven't joined the WhatsApp group till now, I am providing two links in the description of this video. So later on more groups will be also added, so make sure you visit the description of this video and you can join the WhatsApp group. Okay, one more thing, if you have any personal inquiries, you can contact on my contact number that is given in the description, as well as you can also contact on info@200forexpips.com. Okay guys, now I'm going to talk about the that how this group works. So overall, look at here. That's the screenshot, and you can see that this is how people send me the screenshots, and I will get the screenshot in my WhatsApp group from any of the subscriber, I will share it in the main WhatsApp group. So you can see the gold was going down and the sell position was taken, and you can see the profit that is shared in the WhatsApp group. Okay, so this is how you need to share with me all the time that what's going on with the latest market, so you will keep on sending your screenshots with me. At next, look, last night I have shared the screenshot of subscriber Muhammad who has taken the coaching from me. So you can see that these are his profits after taking the coaching. So he was dealing in gold, then you can see that's the profit. So basically guys, when I open any image, then it gives me a little bit problem. The WhatsApp gets a bit slow, so that's why I'm having the problem while opening the images. So overall, if you join the WhatsApp group, then you will be able to find the all images later on when I will post into the WhatsApp group. Just let me wait for a second, so let me sort it out. Okay, so meanwhile I will not any image, so you can get this as from here, like 624 commission was 132, that was his balance 492 received from that trades. Okay, so we share videos as well. We go with the technical analysis, like gold was going down, we have talked about it, and later on my traders have even took a trade on gold. Look at these sell positions were taken, look at the profit here. So I keep on sharing the stuff with my subscribers, and you can see different videos are posted. Even when I go with the live stream, it is also posted in the group. Look at here, gold position. So everything is even when the gold was moving up, I have given the buy signal on gold, and then it went, and even it is traded at our end, and you can see the success is already shown into the group. So guys, it's basically the benefit of the WhatsApp group is this, that you will get the free signal whenever I post into the group. You will get the technical analysis, and you will be also able to find the success stories of my subscribers as well. So overall, I have a good number of subscribers in the WhatsApp group. So if the one of the link doesn't work, then you can join it from the other link, and the other links will be posted as well into the WhatsApp group. So make sure guys, if you have any inquiries, you can contact on the contact number given in the description. And if you have not joined the group till now, then please join it and subscribe the YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video. Have a good day. Bye.